Why is Bitcoin dropping today despite the short-term bounce? How low can BTC go if ETF outflows accelerate? What's the BTC USD forecast next week? These questions matter because liquidity gaps and derivatives positioning could fuel a cascade toward $56K. Bitcoin just climbed above 62,000. But don't let that green candle fool you. Underneath the surface, liquidity is evaporating, ETF investors are pulling capital, and the order book is thinner than it's been in months. Here's the reality most retail traders are blind to. There's one danger zone and one hidden opportunity right now, and I'm going to show you both. Stay to the end, because I'm giving you 3 exact levels you can trade tomorrow. Let's start with the verdict. Across every major time frame, monthly, weekly, daily, 5-hour, and 1-hour, Bitcoin is in a strong sell regime. That means rallies aren't trend resumptions. They're relief bounces in a larger downtrend. The single level that flips this bias? A confirmed daily close above $63,400. Write that down. If we break that today, the entire structure resets. Right now, the herd is leaning long after this bounce, thinking the worst is over. But institutional flows tell a different story. ETF outflows and derivatives positioning suggest smart money is still selling into strength. Zoom out to the weekly chart. Price is pinned below the 20-week moving average, currently at $64,850, and the 60-week MA at $68,200 is acting like a ceiling no rally has been able to crack since March. Daily structure shows a similar chokehold. The 200-day moving average at $59,900 is the only major support left standing before a potential air pocket opens. Drop to the 4-hour chart. The 20 MA at $62,150 keeps capping upside attempts, and each rejection is printing lower highs. 1-hour momentum? Identical story. Now check the MACD on the 4-hour. Notice that negative divergence? Price is trying to push higher, but momentum is fading. That's classic exhaustion. Support sits at $60,800, then $59,900, then the big liquidity shelf at $56,400. Resistance is $62,000, $63,400, and $64,850. Gold may be steady as real yields drop, but Bitcoin is moving tick for tick with Nasdaq futures, and right now, equities are wobbling. Here's what most traders miss. Thin liquidity means a single large sell order can erase an entire day's bounce in minutes. News flow is amplifying the pressure. Yesterday's ETF flow data showed another net outflow, extending the streak to 7 consecutive days. That's not dip buying, that's distribution. Add in the SpaceX IPO rumors drawing liquidity away from speculative crypto markets, and you have a perfect storm. Policy divergence isn't helping either. Yields are firming while risk appetite softens. For the next 1 to 2 weeks, my lean is lower prices unless $63,400 is reclaimed on a closing basis. Do you think Bitcoin breaks $56,000 this week? Comment yes or no. I'm tracking consensus. Most people skip this section. That's exactly where the money is made. Keep watching. Strategy 1. The sniper, conservative, trigger. Short on a confirmed 1H close below $60,800. Confirmation signal. Increasing sell volume and spot-led downside. Stop loss. $61,450, just above the local 4H supply zone. Target 1. $59,900. Target 2. $58,200. Risk reward. 1:3.2R. Invalidation. Daily close back above $62,000 voids the setup. The sniper, conservative, entry. Less than $60,800, 1H close, stop loss. $61,450 take profit 1. $59,900 take profit 2. $58,200 risk, reward. 1:3.2R invalidation. Void if daily close $62,000 strategy 2. The active trader, standard, trigger. Short pullbacks into $62,000 resistance, ideally confirmed by a 4H wick rejection. Stop. $62,600. Target 1, $60,800. Target 2, $59,900. Once target 1 is hit, trail stop to break even and let runners work toward $58,200. Active trader, standard, entry, $62,000 rejection, 4H, stop loss, $62,600 take profit 1, $60,800 take profit 2, $59,900 risk, reward, 1:2.8 invalidation, 4H close $62,600 strategy 3, the aggressor, high risk, trigger, momentum chase short if price breaks $60,800 intra-minute with heavy spot selling. Tight stop, $61,100. Target, $59,900 quickly, then reassess. Warning, only for disciplined traders who can lose small and move fast at the aggressor, high risk, entry. Break less than $60,800 W heavy volume stop loss, $61,100 take profit, $59,900 risk, reward, 1:2.5 hour invalidation, price reclaims $61,100 after strategy 2, type your BTC USD range for tomorrow in the comments now. Let's see who's aligned. Risk management pulse. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. No positions through high-impact macro events. Stops are non-negotiable. This is how you survive to trade the next big move. The single most critical level for the next session? $60,800. Lose that, and the path to $56,400 opens. Tomorrow's wildcard, US jobless claims data. A hotter print could accelerate risk-off flows straight into crypto liquidations. If you want the full breakdown on the S&P 500 and its divergence with Bitcoin, that video is live now. Tap the end screen. Smash like if this gave you a clear plan. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.